With a larger camera bump and a slimmer appearance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to be Samsung's most sophisticated foldable to date. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the Fold 7 is anticipated to be the most exquisite foldable ever produced. At the July Unpacked presentation, Samsung is anticipated to introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, Z Flip FE, Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, Watch Ultra 2, and a new line of affordable Galaxy Buds. The state-of-the-art Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which powers the Galaxy S25 range, including the S25 Edge, is anticipated to power the Fold 7. Thanks to Galaxy AI, it also has improved AI processing to operate on device generative properties. While a high-end 16GB version could be introduced in some areas, the base model will come with 12GB of RAM. With the Fold 7 being Samsung's thinnest foldable ever, just 3.9mm thick when unfolded, design will be the main attraction. In comparison to its predecessor, it is also becoming larger, reaching 158.4mm in width and 143.1mm in height. Although the precise weight is yet unknown, the device is reportedly lighter despite the increase in size. With a 6.5-inch OLED 120Hz cover screen and an 8.0-inch inner display, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have a bigger, more immersive screen configuration when it launches at the Unpacked event next month. Additionally, a 200-megapixel sensor will be added to the primary camera, providing images that are crisper, brighter, and more detailed. Like the Fold 6, the battery will have a mixed bag of specifications and stay at 4,400 mAh. It will be the first Samsung device to introduce the new operating system with One UI 8, which is based on Android 16. Samsung will set a new benchmark for foldables' long-term support by providing 7 years of OS upgrades and security patches. One of the Korean Tech Channel's latest hands-on videos, in contrast to the Fold Special Edition 236G, the Sensa displays a fake unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, demonstrating refinement and a notable weight reduction. It is anticipated that the Z Fold 7 will weigh just 215 grams, which is substantially less than the Fold Special Edition 236 grams. Sharper edges and a slimmer shape set this device distinct from its predecessors. The Z Fold 7 will be formally launched on July 9 at an event in New York, with the unveiling anticipated to be live webcast. With its striking, shiny, and energizing color scheme, the new Blue Shadow version is likewise anticipated to be a noteworthy feature. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.